Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This takes you straight to Apple ID controls. Once done, tap Subscriptions to load every active and expired service tied to your account. You need Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to proceed. Make sure it's available. If you're on Mac, open App Store, click your name, then view information and manage subscriptions from there. This gets you to the list where you can cancel or modify individual services. You now choose the subscription you want to end, tap it to open details and check the next billing date and plan options. Once selected, tap Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial and confirm when prompted. This stops auto-renewal. If you're switching plans, pick Change Plan instead and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure to read the fine print about prorated refunds or remaining access. Sometimes you keep access until the period ends, which avoids immediate service loss. After canceling, verify by looking for Apple's confirmation email and by reopening subscriptions to see status marked as canceled. If the subscription isn't listed, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, or check alternate Apple ID you may have used to subscribe. If charges continue or cancellation failed, contact Apple support with receipt details. You can also request a refund through Report a Problem. Apple.com. As a final troubleshooting tip, make sure you canceled the correct account and not a family member's shared subscription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.